Let's see how to promote your offers or new updates through WhatsApp messages. So in this video, I'm going to show a live demo of how an accounting firm can use WhatsApp broadcast messages to promote existing offers for their existing customers. So here I already have the script over here. Let's see how to send a WhatsApp broadcast message to the list over here. So first of all, let me go to the account over here, and you have to head over to settings over here. So in settings, you have to ensure you have the WhatsApp channel connected over here. So in channels, make sure WhatsApp is connected. If you don't know how to connect your WhatsApp channel, we have a guide on how to connect it. And here click on manage over here. So in by clicking on manage, you can actually access tons of features related to the WhatsApp channel. For example, you can access template messages, you can edit your profile, and you can access other useful links as well. So we actually focused on the template message because when we actually send a broadcast message, so suppose if you want to send a broadcast message to your WhatsApp contact, it has to be a template message because it allows you to send messages to your contacts without any time limitations. Otherwise, if you simply send a normal broadcast message to your WhatsApp contacts, then you can actually send it within the 24 hours of their interaction. So in template messages, there are no such limitations over there. So let's create the template message. So here, as you see, we already have the script over here. So this is the first message we have to send. So we have to create this particular first message as a template message, and other things, once they actually interact with your chatbot, you can send those messages as just normal messages. So there is no issues over here, but for the first message, it has to be a template message. So this is the message we have over here. So here I have already clicked on this manage button, and I am already in the template message area. So here let's create a new template message, and here let me choose marketing over here, and here let me name this one as WhatsApp broadcast for accounting firms, or simply tax reminder. Let me simply name this as tax reminder, and you can add the languages you want to have over here. Let me choose English over here, and then here you have to choose in marketing, you have to also choose if it is product messages or custom. So this is just custom because we are not promoting any sort of products over here. So just the custom message, and click continue. So here we have the body. So the body here will be, this is the body. So this is the message, and here we have 3 buttons. So if they choose request a callback, we simply send a message asking them to provide the best phone number, and after they provide the phone number, we simply send this sort of confirmation message saying our team will get back to you shortly. Suppose if they choose submit documents online, we simply send these sort of instructions and provide a link to submit the documents as well. If they choose call us now, we simply provide an option for them to call the business number as well. So these are the options over here. So first, let's simply copy paste the message we have over here. So let me, in the content, let me add the message, and here we have to add the first name as well. For that, we have to actually choose add variable over here. As you see here, we can add the variable. It's added at the end. Simply cut, and instead of first name, use the variable. That's it. And here for the body, samples of for the body content, what is the content name? So the variable is just a name. So you can simply add any sort of names you like. So just for the demo or an example, so let me add this one as Justin over here. And here you can add your buttons. So here we have 3 buttons: request a callback, submit documents online, and call us now. So here let's add the buttons. So here quick reply buttons. So it should be a custom button because others are just to visit website or call phone number or copy the offer code. So it should be a custom button because when they click on those buttons, we want to send some other messages as well. Suppose if they click request callback, we want to send this sort of message and collect their phone number, and after that we send this confirmation message as well. Likewise, when they submit click on submit documents button, we want to send this sort of message along with this again another button as well. So it should be a custom button. So choose custom over here, and here you can add your button titles over here. So it should be request callback, and I want to add another button. Again, it's a custom button which says submit documents online. And again, the third button is call us now. So for that, they have a special button called as call phone number. So we can simply use that one, call phone number, and here we can simply add the number call us now as the button text, and here you can enter the phone numbers 2435673. So I entered the phone number. So here we have these three buttons set up over here, two custom buttons, and this is call to action button where they can simply tap on the button and call this specific number as you see here. Let me actually submit this for the verification over here, confirm, and let's see what happens. And it says it's in review, so it should be actually approved in just a few more moments over here. So let me see, let me refresh this one and see what happens. Sometimes it actually approved in just a few seconds as well, and as you see here, it's already approved. Text reminder new, it's approved, and this is the message we just created along with all these buttons. So now we can actually use this particular template message in our flows. So for that, let's go over here and let me simply create a new flow. So in the flows, let me add a new flow, WhatsApp broadcast for accounting firms. So I'm just creating a new flow. So here we should actually see the new flow over here. So here, so as a starting step, we should actually send this template message for the customers. So you have to choose WhatsApp over here, and here template message, and you have to choose text reminder new. Here you can find all these options over here, and let's say if you want to add the customer's full name over here, or maybe first name, so customer's first name will be added automatically over here. And here call us is already simply when they tap on it will provide an option to call the number. Otherwise, if they choose a request to call back, we want to collect their phone number. So here sure to ask you better, please provide your best phone number, reply with your phone number. So here when you create you have to add content, get user data, and ask for the phone number right here, and here make sure you are saving it in the phone number field. So once they provide the phone number, we have to send this sort of message: thank you for providing the number, and our team will get back to you shortly. So here, once the data is saved, you can simply send this sort of message to your customers over here. So even actually you can actually add actions such as notify admins, those kind of things are possibilities over here. So here in inbox, you can actually transfer the conversation to some sort of human, or you can also actually notify and admins as well. So here let's see, notify admins, that's also possible as well. So instead you can simply assign the conversation to a specific agent as well. So let's say Henry Allen. So when they provide the phone number, I want to assign the conversation to Henry Allen, and also I want to make sure this is actually handled. I want to actually transfer the conversation to the human as well. So here, transfer the conversation to human. The reason is that, so even if we assign a particular conversation to a human, the bot will be active. So if you want to completely switch off the bot for a particular customer or user, you can simply transfer the conversation as well. So that's also another option over here. And here, if they want to submit the documents, we can actually send these sort of messages for them. Fantastic. Follow these steps. So here, let's add the content over here, and here finally we want to add a button, send text documents. So here, add a button, here open website, send text document. So here you have to put whatever the website or the document website address to update or upload the particular text document. So here I'm just providing just a URL over here. That's it. We have actually created all these flow over here, including the template message. So let me quickly publish this one, already published. So now we can actually send this as a broadcast to your WhatsApp contacts. So here, if we go to the inbox, we have a few WhatsApp contacts over here, but I want to send this message only to this particular WhatsApp contact, Charik Media. and this particular Chatting Media account has a tag named as admin. So we want to filter the broadcast message using this tag, so only this particular person will get the WhatsApp broadcast message. So that's how we are going to do that. Go to broadcast over here. Yeah, I'm in the broadcast, so let me click send over here. Choose WhatsApp, and here you have to choose template message, and here you have to choose WhatsApp broadcast for accounting firms. So that's the thing we want to send, and here you have to choose the tag as well. So as you see here, I have chosen the tag as admin as well, because I want to send this broadcast message only to this particular contact. So let me click send over here. So it's actually sending the broadcast message to that particular contact, and it's already sent. So if I share my phone screen and open WhatsApp, we should see the broadcast message over there. So as you see here, I have just received the broadcast message. It says, hello Chatting, it is tax season, are you ready to submit your yearly tax documents? Reply with your choice. And as you see, we are seeing all these three buttons right here. So if I tap on this button, call us now, it will simply provide an option to call the particular number we have just provided. So let's see, request callback. Let's see what happens. So it should actually ask us to provide the phone number. So let me provide some sort of random phone numbers over here. So after I just provide the phone number, I receive this sort of message, thank you for providing the number, our team will get back to you shortly. And here let me choose and submit documents online over here. So the second button, so it should actually provide all the instructions on how to submit the documents, and as you see here, and also link to send the tag document. So if I tap on this button, it simply open the website. So there you can actually add your own links as well. So this is how you can actually send WhatsApp broadcast messages to your customers. Also in this particular flow, if they choose request callback, here we assign the conversation to Henry Allen as well. So here in the inbox, if I go to the inbox right here, it says this particular chat is assigned to the Henry Allen, as you see here. So this is how you can actually use WhatsApp broadcast messages to send any sort of promotional messages to your customers. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.